subscribers. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like, and comment. As you guys can see, there's an amazing view behind me. I am actually in Ulsan, and this vlog is just about my visit to Ulsan and everything else. Yeah, so please like, comment, share, enjoy this video. Let's get it. On our way to the, should I say it or should it be a surprise? But anyway, we are on our way to the waterfall, and these two ladies have made my dream come true. I have been having like sleepless nights thinking about this waterfall, and finally my dream it's happening. Like, I'm just like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I couldn't show you guys when we left the hotel because it was just like Pali Pali lifestyle. Like, we had to be very quick about it, but yeah, we're going to the waterfall now. Down. We're showing the thighs, honey, the thighs.
It's all about the thighs.
It's all about the thighs, you know. The weather is a bit gloomy, but it's still hot. So yeah, moral phezulu kaloku. Saya waterfall. Guys, asisabhabi emoyeni. Like, yo. So beautiful. Sangena. Guys, this is the way up. We are not okay. It's a lot, bruh. Oh my god. Okay. We live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys! And so we were actually hiking all the way up, and I was tired, but now I'm excited because this view is amazing. And we want to go to the big waterfall, and yeah, we give you the view. I guess this is where people sit and take pictures. mate? How's that, mate? How's that? We sweating, booty. It's very rough in here, hi. So if you guys see the pictures on Instagram, you better like it, yeah? Because this walk is, woo! It's literally asking everything from us. Guys, we are tired. Bags, plastics, umbrellas. But we're still going up. We're not giving up.
Almost there.
You know, almost there, bruh. Konyama chuta. Ay, ay. Wooden mic, baba. Entabeni kasomandla. Phambili siyaya. Amen. Guys, so me and Jackie are wearing lashes. These lashes are umbrellas. Our sweat is literally here. Guys, there's no slay queening in the forest. There's no. Libalo, wear your tracksuit, sneakers, no lipstick, and just go because wow.
Kababe.
Gooby Basali, gooby. You. We did it, guys. We did it. We made it to the beautiful waterfall. Oh, thank you, Lord, that we didn't give up. Was it worth the walk, honey? Oh my gosh, guys. The beauties. This is beautiful. All the way up.
All the way up.
You know.
All the way up. All the way up. So now we're going to take pictures, darling, and enjoy this beautiful space. Bye. Hey guys, so we just came from dinner and now we are at a hookah slash shisha bar and we're just going to be smoking and having cocktails, and yeah, we had a nice day, so this is just our chill time.
Do you know it? You? You got it.
Morning, good morning guys. So we just checked out of our hotel. It is the day after last night. We had a ball basically. Hey Jackie.
Hey.
So yeah, we're just waiting for a cab to go to the next location, but girls is up, girls is ready, girls is prepared. The Ferris wheel now. I'm actually gonna stand up. It's a bit blurry. I'm sorry that the view is like horrible, but yeah, yo, bruh. Ulsan is beautiful. Ulsan is beautiful. I'll show you guys the view now. So pretty, so nice, and it's just me here. The weather is perfect and we are here at this cafe restaurant just to enjoy the beautiful view and yeah, and just this amazing place. So I can't wait to show you guys what we're gonna eat. And yes, the goals are up, the goals are ready. Look at you, honey. Hi, guys. Look at this him. Hi. Dude, we were hungry. We were so hungry. Are you not burning? Did you wanna quench your thirst? Just take a sip. It's so delicious. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious.
I'm so tired. Yo,
we only slept, literally guys, we only slept for, what was it, 5 hours?
Yeah, we slept
5
at
hours.
5 a.m.
Yeah, 5
a.m.
a.m. Like, and the only reason why we slept because I was like, check it, the sun is coming out. We went back to the hotel.
Sunrise.
after the shisha, and then we just started talking in bed and then watching. What were we watching? Lucifer on Netflix, and then yeah, guys, we were just talking. Jay, you know how girls are. We go on forever, and then the time was just going. So yeah, that's why we are tired. But one thing about us, child, we always wake up and look good and show up. You know. So yeah, we were not gonna give you like the hangover people, no, because you deserve all this glam and you know the vibes, the Sunday vibes. So yeah, we're definitely enjoying this place. Thumbs up. Cheers. Wine. Second attempt. Cheers, bye.
Enjoy your drink.
Guys, my bra is misbehaving. You guys are gonna just get too strong. I tried. See when you have everything bozong, Alice. Things just want
God
to
was
pop
very
out.
generous.
Hey, no, things just want to pop out, and we are within the people. I'm trying my best, but guys, I see the salad, right? It's literally here. But because I have a salad every day of my life during the week, I'm just like, girl, I'm not gonna do you today. Today's
It's
not
very
the
nice.
day. Do you want the salad? I do. I'm not even gonna.
It's nice.
Are you a bit hungover? How do you feel?
What happened? You speak to me?
I have issues with my knees. Dry skin issues.
Dry
Do you have
skin
lotion?
issues.
I do, but I have to feel like a
I feel like
In your
I'm having a
backpack?
bunny child.
No, my elbows are ashy. I took mascaras, but then my elbows are ashy. Yes, go. Yes, child. Thank you. You see the glow. I
Yeah.
present to you. Drum roll. Yeah, that's right. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, guys. So we are. Guys, Jake is out of control.
Jackie's slowly
It's
getting
Sunday.
into the
Yeah, it's like you know. I'm just,
you know what, maybe I should start my own channel.
I could never. It's a lot of work.
It's not. It's fun, guys. So we're just gonna eat here, and before I head back to Gwangju, you know, my city, we're gonna finish this amazing vacation with a nice meal and close it off with conversations from last night. You know. But yeah, it has been an absolutely amazing, you know, like, yo, can't even utter the words, but this trip was amazing. I enjoyed myself. Ladies, did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, we did.
Out of 10 or 100, what would you give this trip?
200.
I mean, you know, there was slight anxiety, but you know, we made it through
We made it
We got
through,
to the
guys.
waterfall.
Yeah.
in the darkness.
Yeah, like after everything, yeah, we really did have fun. And yeah, guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog because yeah, we enjoyed it. We enjoyed it. Like, yeah, so yeah, guys, we are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This is where I'm gonna close the vlog today, so that I respect the ladies and you know give them some quality time because I've been vlogging all this trip. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye, guys.